What's up guys, it's Nick. Welcome back to the channel. Got some organic grape tomatoes and organic eggplant. I'm going to make this into a puree and use it as a baby food. But we're going to be using this with olive oil, so you could use this for anything. Grab the eggplant, cut the ends off, and just slice it down the center. Put it to a sheet tray lined with foil. Drizzle some olive oil on the top. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius. I'm going to season the eggplant with a touch of sugar to help take away some of that bitterness. Add the cherry tomatoes to the pan. Drizzle with some more olive oil. I'm going to roast that for about a half hour until tender. This took just over a half hour. Eggplant's nice and tender. Tomatoes are broken down. I'm going to scoop out the flesh of the eggplant. We don't want to get any of that skin. Add the eggplant flesh and the tomatoes to the blender. Add some more olive oil and blend until smooth. Once blended, add that to a container, and this will keep in the fridge 3 to 5 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Roasted eggplant and cherry tomato puree. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you in the next one.